Suitable for PE and AGM separator, 1x6 and 2x3 layout battery. Only 1 to 2 operators required. Inspection online. Entire line with MES function. Centralized lubrication system. 1P mode changeover. Production capacity is PC's min. The entire assembly line includes centralized store and automatic convey the battery, container and cover. No operators required for the conveying process, saving the floor space. Bridge type conveying mechanism. Robot plate loading system. Fix the separator by the air shaft and measure the diameter of the separator by ultrasonic wave. First plate loading station. Special transverse lug brushing structure. Pre-fold mechanism by separate servo control. Second plate loading station. Plate loading checking, stacking by rotating wheel. High precision rotary cable adjustment mechanism. Special patent mode changeover technology. Plate group conveying includes lug bending and plate groups alignment. Centralized store and automatic convey the battery container. The battery containers are sent to the conveyor of the hole puncher from the conveying line. Laser coding. Hole punching. Flash removing. Extender. Waste plastic dumping option. Absorb. Robot pick up the groups and inserting into the jig. Robot pick up the plate groups and put on the buffer table. Robot pick up the plate groups from the buffer table and put on the cross jigs. Lug brushing, fluxing and infrared ray drying. Stable and smooth rotary cable drive. No vibration and noise, almost maintenance-free. Plate group casting and release. Jig holding device controlled by servo. Adjustable lug insertion depth. Plate groups unloading. Unloading and boxing. Automatic lead ingot loading. Short circuit testing before welding. Intercell welding machine head up, down and positioning by servo. Stopper servo. Internal resistance testing and short circuit testing after welding. Machine working proctor-controlled program, suitable for 1x6 and 2x3 layout battery. Sound and light alarm function. Terminal correction mechanism. Centralized store and automatic convey the battery cover. The battery covers are sent to the lid placing position from the conveying line. Machine head up and down by servo control. Conveyor lift up by servo. Automatic change the hot plate. Automatic change the picking up mode. Post burning depths by servo control. Post height checking by high precision sensor. Leak testing by single cell pressure. Special silicone rubber pad for leak testing mode. Follow me along with animation.